바람이 불어온 그 밤에 꺼진했던 조각들이 난 떠올라 순간에 falling down 감추려 애썼던 마음 다 들킬까봐 도망가 버렸지 yeah. 깊은 밤 잠든 널 내 안에 담아두고 있어 언제까지나 it's alright 내 안에 너만을 기억할 수 있는 순간이 바로 지금이야 Take me back 그 밤을 되돌리고 싶어 내가 지키려 했던 모든 건 다 부서져 버렸어 정말 It's alright 내 숨겨왔던 비밀을 하늘에 고이 담았어 It's alright 빗물에 내 맘도 씻겨 너와의 기억들 이미 지나간 일이고
Oh, they have bear spray.
Far away. You bring like a knife or anything?
Yeah, it's in the bag. The hike starts now. We have 4 hours to go. And we're going up. Mamamatay na ako. Char. Ang taas. Okay lang? Okay lang daw siya. Okay. I'll see you in 5 years. Not even half there. I'm losing my breath. We can do this. Okay. We're going there and up. Oh my god. It's snowing. We're going up there. Snow. Have a good one, okay? Have a good one.
바람이 불어온 그 밤에 꺼진했던 조각들이 난 순간에 falling down 감추려 애썼던 마음 다 들킬까봐 도망가 버렸지 yeah. 깊은 밤 잠든 널 내 안에 담아두고 있어 언제까지나 it's alright 내 안에 너만을 기억할 수 있는 순간이 바로 지금이야 Take me back 그 밤을 되돌리고 싶어 내가 지키려 했던 모든 건 다 부서져 버렸어 정말 It's alright 내 숨겨왔던 비밀을 하늘에 고이 담았어 It's alright 빗물에 내 맘도 씻겨 너와의 기억들 모두 이미 지나간 일이고 좋았던 기억이
That is the view.
남아있지가 않아
We're still going up.
언제까지나 it's alright 감추려 애썼던 마음 다 들킬까봐 도망가 버렸지 깊은 밤 잠든 널 내 안에 담아두고 있어 언제까지나 it's alright 내 안에 너만을 기억할 수 있는 순간이 바로 지금이야 Take me back 그 밤을 되돌리고 싶어 내가 지키려 했던 모든 건 다 부서져 버렸어 정말 It's alright 내 숨겨왔던 비밀을 하늘에 고이 담았어 It's alright 빗물에 내 맘도 씻겨 너와의 기억들 모두 이미 지나간 일인걸 좋았던 기억이 이제 남아있지가 않아 언제까지나 it's alright 후회는 없다고 다짐했던 나 정말 바보 같았단 걸 알아 Take me back 그 밤을 되돌리고 싶어 내가 지키려 했던 모든 건 다 부서져 버렸어 정말 It's alright 내 숨겨왔던 비밀을 하늘에 고이 담았어 It's alright 조각나버린 하늘
This is me going down. Oh, this trail is hard as fuck. Whew. But going down is not too bad. Like, when you go up, I could have swear I almost died. Yep. So I did. I'm going down now. We probably finished the trail going up for like an hour and 45 minutes. And then going down, I don't know yet. Let's see. And we had snow earlier, and now I think it's raining going down. Good thing we are going down right now, so it's not too bad when it's like raining. Yeah. So when you go hiking in this trail, please do bring your pole stick, your hiking boots, water. You need that because sucks. We saw a lot of people today, or a bunch of people that doesn't even have shoes, proper shoes for hiking, and no poles, and going up there with on the stairs, it really sucks because it's too slippery and muddy. Yeah. So be careful, folks. See you later. So I made it like this. Look at me. Whew. I don't know. Look at that view. Whew. We finally made it to the flat ground. Huh. Isn't that beautiful? Except my hair though. It's a mess. I need to use the washroom so bad. But aside from that, the weather is not that good today. But still okay. It's a bit cold. And again, just enjoy it. Alright, we're going to our car right now. And we are going to our camping spot. Alright, see you guys later. There's a goat out there. Mountain goat. Go jump. Oh, look at that. Wow. Show off. Show off. All right, bye now, fish. We are done. Don't mind me and don't mind my pimple. Oh, bye, goats. We're just going for lunch right now and we'll see.
See, it says supper time actually, isn't it?
Isn't that pretty? Hi, dear. This is our campsite for tonight and it's pretty cold. There she is, folks. Yep.
With the mosquito heading around it. Probably has walls sitting off it.
Oh well.
Swear I wouldn't be around for
Leaving the campsite.